How to see your YouTube subscriptions list, step-by-step guide. Want to see all the channels you subscribe to on YouTube? Here's the quick method. Step 1, open YouTube. Open YouTube on your phone or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you are signed into your account. Step 2, tap the Subscriptions tab. On mobile, tap Subscriptions at the bottom of the screen. On desktop, click Subscriptions from the left sidebar. This will show recent videos from channels you follow. Tack Step 3, view the full subscriptions list. On mobile, tap All at the top right of the subscription section. On desktop, scroll the left sidebar to see all subscribed channels. Now you can view your complete subscriptions list. If you can't see some channels, make sure you are logged into the correct account. Some channels may be deleted or removed. Refresh or update the YouTube app. Final summary. Open YouTube, tap Subscriptions, tap All, view all subscribed channels. That's how you can quickly see your full YouTube subscriptions list.